We've all heard about contact tracing. It's one of the things Governor Brown says needs to be in place before Oregon can start to reopen. And tonight we're getting a look at how it might work. Fox 12's Sarah Hurwitz has a look at what Washington County Public Health is already doing and how it's planning ahead for the months to come. Sarah.
Washington County public health leaders say they'll need a team of 180 people to conduct contact tracing over the next 6 months. We are told at this point they have 40 people who are working as part of that process. Now, Governor Kate Brown did release some of those guidelines on Friday that outlined what counties will need to have. They'll need to have a minimum of 15 contact tracers for every 100,000 people. Her guidelines also said that every county must be prepared to contact trace 95% of all new cases within 24 hours, with the Oregon Health Authority certifying a county's readiness. Now, the Oregon Health Authority says it is working with all counties to recruit enough people for volunteering and paid opportunities to help with contact tracing. It is hoping to recruit licensed medical professionals at the county and state level. So what is contact tracing? Well, the county says it's a process where a county worker interviews someone who has tested positive for COVID-19. We're tracing who they might have come into contact with in order to identify any additional cases. The county says that many people are staying at home and are not in contact with a lot of people right now, but it could become more difficult to conduct contact tracing when the economy reopens because people might not remember everybody that they've come into close contact with.
But once the businesses start reopening and people start returning to some of their usual activities, they will have more and more contacts, and our contact investigations will potentially be more complex.
Now, OHA is hoping to launch a website sometime this week that will list volunteering as well as paid opportunities to help with contact tracing. OHA also says that there's no timeline at this point to get everybody on board, to get everybody in place for contact tracing across all counties for those requirements for reopening. Reporting live in Washington County, Sarah Hurwitz, Fox 12 Oregon.